Okay, I'm making this video because my SKP-900 key programmer looked like that, and I kind of panicked and opened it or whatever and tried to figure it out. There was a ribbon cable, but it wasn't. It was just software. I think it ran out of tokens or something. It's working now. I went to this website. I think it was that link, and downloaded what was that SKP update tool 2.4. I updated it with that, connected it with a cable to my computer USB, and I hit auto scan and uploaded that. I think what it did is reflashed it, but I hope that helps out somebody that kind of panicked whenever their screen looked like that.